Hey, we're back in real life with Pokemon cards. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just am. But yeah, I told you about this in the channel news. The pack I got. That one time I had this, and then yeah, this is the EX I got. Hold on. Focus. Hold on. This is... There we go. Yeah. So, that's cool. Refocus. And let's open the first pack. The front looks cool. There are actually 3 different front things that I got. That one, that one, and that one. It doesn't really matter. It just kind of looks cool. But I don't know. Let's open this. I don't know. I'm going to open these backwards. I messed that first one up. Throw that. And then I think move this here. No. Like this here. Because, like, with this is the order I got it in, and the EX was in the middle, so if I move it like that, then the EX will be in the back, and it'll be saved for last, I guess, so we got that. That's cool. A captivating Pokepuff. I'm good at reading. A Sneasel. Cool, dark, and it's good. It is shiny. Shiny. Closet. I like I said before, I am good at reading. This one now. Ooh. Open. I still get like the glimpse of the first one, but whatever. Oh, this one looks different than the other ones. Whatever. Okay, we got a trainer, Ninja Boy. Hiya! Yeah, I'm weird. We got Apom, Fiddler. Okay, I was just reading the movies. And, oh, it's the Larvesta. Larvesta's okay. The focus went out. Whatever. Next Pokemon pack. Let's do this one. Okay. This one, whoa, my goodness. I mean, I have 5 packs to open, but whatever. Okay. I didn't get, like, the wrong side this time. Take that off. Put that like that. Let's see. We got a D-Watt. Like I said before, I'm good at reading. A Litwick and a P-Peror. It's funny because on the camera, it looks a lot shinier than it does in real life. Like, you can kind of see a bit of glare in it. And in real life, there's, like, no glare at all. Like, let's see if it does it with the others. Yeah, it does. But whatever. 2 more to open. This is going to be a short video, but at least it's a video, okay, guys? Yeah. Another one of these. Oh no, you saw that. Whatever. It's funny. It like zoomed and it not autofocused. It did a focus thing because the wrapper landed on top of it. Let's see. We got a Nidorino. That's cool. A C-Dot. The focus is wrong. And, ooh, a Clauncher. No idea what that is, but okay. And last pack of the day. Let's hope we get something good. Get out of here. Oh, you too. Oh, we saw that anyway. Or Nidoron, but whatever. Take this top off. Put that under. Clang. I bet it's going to be a Nidoron next. Whoa! How'd I guess that? Guys, look at, it's, wow. I was saying like, oh, I hope we get something, holy crap. That's a Mega Steelix EX. Wow. That's all I have to say, just wow. And these packs were $1. That's why they only had 3 in them, but whatever. Still, just get out there. Boom. I actually didn't know that Steelix was a Pokemon name. Like, that's Onyx that it's evolving from. But wow, just... yeah. I mean, it takes a lot of stuff to do its attack move, but it does 160 damage. When one of your Pokemon becomes a Mega Evolution, your turn ends. Okay. And a Pokemon, yeah. But, I mean, it's just cool to have it, even though it doesn't do the best damage. But, yeah. So, let's review. I don't know why I'm doing this. We got this one with all of these. All of these. Then this one that had a decently good one. It had the Qualitzer. I'm good at pronunciation. We got this one in Nidorino. And then the other two, Clauncher, whatever. This one had the Litwick, Duat, Pureward. Wait. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, there we go. Then this one was from a few days ago. That's where I got this one, the Full Art Gavardine or EX. Focused in on that. Okay, that was cool. 170 HP, and then we got this one, the Clang, the Nidoron, and then this one, which was cool in Japanese. So, whatever, that's going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe for more content like it, share it with whoever you think might like it. Check out some other videos on my channel, because I do things other than this. And, yeah, comment if you want to see more stuff like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.